Hello mi bella fam, how are you guys? This is Angeles and I'm super excited for this video. As you guys can see, I have a beautiful blue brown look with the new palette that I just got. I can't wait for you guys to get to learn this look. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. Be part of the bella fam by subscribing and hit that notification bell so every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it. And let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is getting our moisturizer for our face. It's going to be Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer Cream. Okay, so once you're done adding that foundation, we're going to be adding our concealer. The concealer that I will be using today is going to be Tarte. This is the Shape Tape. This is going to be 27H for my tone of skin. And I'm going to put some on my inner and then my outer. My inner and then my outer, on the middle, and then in the middle of my forehead. And then once again, I'm going to be using my beauty blender, but I'm going to be using the pointy side now. I love to wait so my foundation and my concealer can sit in. So while that's sitting in, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and what I'm going to be using is going to be my favorite $1 Billion Brows BRB, which is this one right here. You guys can see it. It does have the same point as the other one. Okay, so let's go ahead with our eyes. I'm going to be using this beautiful palette that I just couldn't wait to show you guys. I have so many plans, ideas, and just want to go straight and just do all the colors, but I can't. But I am so excited, so let's just show you. This is the 35S Sweet Oasis, and you guys look at the colors. Like, I'm in love with these colors. And I haven't even showed you the other colors, but unfortunately what I was upset about was that it didn't carry this orange inside the palette. I think if I would have this orange inside the palette, I would even fall a lot more in love. But even though it doesn't have the orange, it has really nice colors to pick from. So I can't wait. Just let's dive in and let's use the first colors. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add a base. I'm going to use Alfresco, hopefully my Spanish, Alfresco right there. It's like a nice cute base that I'm diving to try. I'm going to be using my big mirror from Barbie ColourPop. It's like this, like what a beauty of a highlighter. And the mirror, like that mirror is perfect for it. It shows my whole face. Okay, so I'm gonna be going with Shady Spot, which is this one right here at the bottom. It's like a really nice brown outer corner, and just go like this much on your lid. Like, I don't want to go all the way up, I just want to stay in the bottom. So I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eye. Of course, like always, I will be putting where I bought the palette so you guys are able to get your own. Okay, so we're gonna go for another brown. I fell in love with this one as well. This is called Hideaway, and it's more, this one's a matte, but this one's more of a shimmer. I'm gonna get closer to it so you guys can see it. I'm gonna grab that same brush. I'm just gonna grab that shimmer brown. I'm gonna put it on my inner corners. Now I'm gonna grab this beautiful blue. I'm all about the blues, and especially this one. This one's called Reef Dive, and it looks like this right there. I'm gonna grab that beautiful blue, and I'm gonna add that. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you what I just grabbed. I grabbed just a little bit, and look at that beauty. So I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna put it on the middle of my lid, in between. Wow, I am in love. like wet. So I'm gonna go more on top. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see what a beautiful blue this is. Wow, like wow, like I just can't stop looking at it. Okay, so what a beautiful blue, don't you think, you guys? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that brown, but I'm gonna go with a different brush because I want that in the bottom as well. Like I want my whole eye to show the brown and the blue. So I'm gonna go with this one, and this one is gonna be Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna grab that brown again. I'm just gonna accompany it right here at the bottom. So now I'm gonna grab that the white that this palette provides for me, and it's Take Me Back, which is this beautiful white right here. Really nice white, and I'm gonna use that on my inner corner just to give the eye look a pop. I'm gonna go right here. This white is amazing. I love. Okay, so once again I'm gonna put my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am done with my eye look and I added my lashes. These are the Glamnetic lashes, which is basically you put the eyeliner that they provide and then you put your lashes. You just put them on like magnet. So that's why it's called Glamnetic. So I can't wait for you guys to try that on. Of course, like always, me Beja fam, I'll put it down in the description below so you guys can grab it and get your own Glamnetic lashes. So after this look, this eye look, I'm gonna be doing my lips. We're gonna go with a nude look for the lips, so our eyes can pop, you know. So the first look, I'm gonna be using at least 3 lipstick and lip liners so you guys can see a mix of all of them. Do the Dominique Cosmetics, this is gonna be, I'll tell you right now, Crush lip liner, and I'm gonna be using it on my half lip. I'm gonna explain a little bit more once I get my mirror. I'm gonna go on just one side basically. So I'm gonna go here. I want a really thick line, and then here, just like that. You guys can see the difference of how lip liners work. Now I'm gonna grab another liner. This is gonna be from Nars. This is Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and it's called Dance Fever. Looks like this. I'm gonna do it on my other side of my lip. Similar color. Just like that. Okay, as you guys can see, that's the look. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this. It's called Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH43, and it's like this shape. And what I'm gonna do to have a precise lip, I'm gonna grab some of my concealer, grab some of this concealer, and I'm gonna go close my lip. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see a little bit more. Of course, I'm gonna be adding my bronzer. You guys know it already. This is my favorite bronzer, the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I love their new design on it. Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. I'm gonna add that on my cheekbones. Well, on top of my cheekbones, to be precise. I love how the wand is pretty big. I'm gonna get it closer so you guys can see it. I'm gonna put it on top of, well, basically on my cheekbone. Grab some more. Just like 3 drops. You guys can see that is beautiful. And with my finger, I love using my finger. Just giving that shimmer, that highlight on my face. You don't even need that much. Like, I think the 3 drops is a lot because it makes it, you know, you want that glow, but like I don't even think you need that much. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed just spending time with me and learning this look. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it and get to learn something new. I am in love with this palette. Like I said, I will be giving it, I will be putting it in the description below so you guys get to buy it and use it. Yeah, definitely. And I think I feel so inspired that hopefully for my next video I will be creating these colors on my eyes because that's how inspired I am. So see you guys next time. Like always, I like to end up with advice, just, you know, keeping this positive vibes, especially in these hard times. You guys remember, Bella fam, always stay positive. I think everybody knows me by that. Just staying positive even in the difficult times. You know, you have to change that mentality and be like, I can do it, and just push through. So happy holidays. I have new content coming up like always, and I just can't wait to show you what I have coming next. And thankfully somebody wrote to me, you guys, and shout out to Kimberly. She gave me some suggestions on what to do next, so I can't wait to show you guys that part as well. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day today, and thank you for watching.